National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Angelina County in eastern Texas. This includes the cities of Lufkin, Diboll, Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas. This includes the city of Nacogdoches, San Augustine County in eastern Texas, western Shelby County in eastern Texas. This includes the city of Center, extreme southeastern Cherokee County, southern Panola County. This includes the city of Carthage, southeastern Rusk County, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Minden to 36 miles south of Diboll, or along the line extending from 7 miles south of Henderson to 36 miles south of Diboll, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Toronto, Hudson, Pine Hill, Garrison, Huntington, Woden, Melrose, Timpson, Martinsville, Ipoyle, Tenneha, Newville, McCune, Glen Lake, and San Augustine. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Angelina, Cherokee, Nacogdoches, Panola, Rusk, San Augustine, and Shelby.
Letting my brother down.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Etowah County in northeastern Alabama until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rosa to near Ragland, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gadsden, Rainbow City, Boaz, Atala, Hopes Bluff, Glencoe, Sardis City, Steele, Altoona, Walnut Grove, Ree City, Tabor Road, Aurora, Ballplay, Gadsden Mall, Nakalua Falls, Neely Henry Lake, Southside, Gadsden Steam Plant, and Mountain Borough. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Etowah, Alabama.
It was replaced at a cost of $380 million with a boulevard and pedestrian path.
Event type is tornado. For Lindsay, southern Cowardville Lakes. For Newmarket, Georgina, northern York Region. For Uxbridge, Beaverton, northern Durham Region. Tornado warning in effect for Lindsay, southern Cowardville Lakes, Newmarket, Georgina, northern York Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, northern Durham Region. Take cover when threatening weather approaches. Please monitor for further updates to this alert.
Traffic volumes increased, delay.
Please.
Your attention, please. This is the Alberta Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Am I fixed?
Alberta Emergency Public Warning System for Wednesday, May the 22nd, 2002. To take safety precautions for you and your family. This is only a test.
This emergency warning message has... If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Do not use your telephone for the duration of this emergency.
I know it sounds kind of weird.
Here follows a government announcement. The National Emergency Coordination Group has issued the following notices. A red weather alert is in force for the entire country for Monday 16th of October. Hurricane force winds are expected in every county. All schools, colleges and childcare facilities will be closed. People are advised to stay at home. No unnecessary travel or other outdoor activities should be undertaken. People should secure any garden furniture.
Attention, ceci est un message d'alerte à la population. Une menace nucléaire est en cours. Pour votre sécurité, merci de lire attentivement ce qui va suivre.
Del estudio de televisión, por supuesto, seguimos en vivo. Un fuerte sismo que se está sintiendo en estos momentos aquí en la Ciudad de México. Está muy fuerte. Seguimos al aire.
Before a disaster hits, you need to be prepared. You need survival items, a getaway kit, and a plan for your family. You also need to recognize this civil defense warning sound on your radio. If a disaster occurs, you'll hear this sound on the radio, and you need to listen, because it will be followed by a civil defense message that will help you get through. For more information, visit getthrough.govt.nz.
Hello, John Sluter again from the Bureau with the latest situation on Tropical Cyclone Nancy. A short time ago, she was approximately 170 kilometres northeast of Tewantin, moving in a southwesterly direction at around 50 kilometres an hour. Now, at this rate, she's expected to cross the coast between Tewantin and Cape Morton sometime after midnight, with winds expected around 150 kilometres an hour near the centre. So a wise thing to do before you go to bed tonight, check around the house to make sure nothing is loose, and of course, stay indoors. I'll be back again in 1 hour with another update. See you then.
Update. Please pay attention to the following information.
This is a tropical cyclone advisory carrying the standard emergency warning signal. This region causing heavy rain, strong winds, flooding and storm surges. The information now being shown on your screen has been issued by the Bureau of Meteorology and is critical to your safety and well-being at this time. It is also important that you listen to your local radio station for the latest information on this event. More details can also be found at the website bom.gov.au. For emergency assistance, call 000.
Bushfire information.
And bringing you news of a third fire burning now under emergency conditions. Emergency warning for a bushfire burning under catastrophic weather conditions, and this has been issued for Port Wakefield Highway near Port Wakefield.
MP returns Tuesday, the 26th of February at 9:30 p.m. on 5. You can also watch other episodes of Meet the MP on Toggle.
Do not be alarmed. You have just heard the important message signal of the public warning system sounded in support of Total Defense Day. This is sounded when the population is to be alerted to an important broadcast on local radio stations. There are two other signals of the public warning system, namely the alarm and all clear signals. When you hear the alarm signal, move to a shelter immediately. The all clear signal is sounded when the threat is over and you can leave the shelter. This message is brought to you by Singapore's Civil Defence Force.
الرجاء الانتباه. لقد أطلق الدفاع المدني بالمنطقة الشرقية صفارة إنذار الخطر. عليك باتباع ما يلي: ارتدي القناع الواقي، ابق في مكان آمن، واصل مشاهدتك لتلفزيون القناة 3 أو الاستماع للراديو على محطة FM تردد 91.4 أو 101.4.
Civil Defence in the Eastern Province has sounded the danger alarm siren. Please proceed as follows. Put on your gas mask. Stay in a safe place. Stay tuned to Channel 3 television or to 91.4 or 101.4 FM on the radio.